Hey guys, I just got my Printrbot, a beta, simple, and doing a little bit of unboxing. Okay, got a receipt, some plastic, I'm guessing, printing, got some USB cable, maybe power cable, whole bunch of little wooden parts, not sure where they're gonna go, more wooden parts. Bunch of screws and nuts and all that fun stuff. Bigger screws, some ball bearings it looks like. Let's see. I'm not sure what these guys are, maybe more ball bearings. Twist ties, or zip ties rather. Power supply. Cord to the power supply. Guessing this might be the extruder or something along those lines. And we got more wood. I'm guessing that's the build platform. And in here we have the controller board and some metal rods. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see that or not. And that's pretty much everything.